Hello everybody, today we'll do stretching for our leg and stretch our body. So stay with me and we will get started. So first what you're starting to do, we will get standing in this position, take hands and fix. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take our hands for the floor and starting to pushing for our legs. So let's start 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Take half of our leg, relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Stretch on this side. Good work. And after that, take 2 legs together and starting stretching in the shoulders. So 1 and back and 2 back and 3 back, 4 back, and last one 5. Stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take our leg behind, and after that, what we're starting to do, we will take our knees down and starting doing in this pose. Please take 1 and back, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax in this side, catch our back leg and feel good. So after that, we will take in this side and starting to push with our body for our leg. So get started. So and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Half our leg and still in this pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take seat in the split and take our back leg and sit with strong back. Keep in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. After that, slowly try go down for our leg and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, let's try take back leg and push it in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And then we try take your leg very good and pushing this leg down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Take 2 legs together. Take your breath down and go hug your legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So good work. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like my videos and go watching my other videos on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, take likes, write me good comments, and bye bye.